Welcome to the first video of the Custom UI Integration tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basic migration and setup. So let's get started. Step 1. Copy the Custom UI System Content folder to your project and confirm the file import. Step 2. Open the world settings and set your HUD class to CUIS main HUD. Repeat the process inside the project settings under Maps and Modes. Now, search for scaling and set the system's default to 1. When building your project, we recommend a value of 0.8 or adjust it to your liking. Step 3. Optional. If you want your custom widgets to open and close on Keypress, head over to the included blueprint named CUIS Player Controller. Copy the whole event graph and paste it into your own player controller or character blueprint. Step 4. Testing the result. Congratulations, you've completed the system's basic integration. In the further integration tutorial series, we'll guide you on how to combine the main UMG and HUD blueprints, in case your project already makes use of them. Also note that the demo folder can be deleted at any time. Step 5. Cleanup. To finish, you can search and delete the following blueprints: CUIS Player Controller, Game Mode CUIS, and Map CUIS. See you in the next tutorial.